How to send money with Sendwave. Download and install your Sendwave app. Click the login button to start sending to GCash, or click the sign up button to start creating your account. Fill out the fields below. Type your full name and email address. Choose the country where you will be sending from. Enter your phone number next to your country. And then enter your password. Choose a country where you are planning to send first. I'll choose Philippines as my first country to send to. Tick the first checkbox, agree with Sendwave's terms and privacy policy. Click sign up. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your mobile number. If you can't receive it on your mobile number, click verify email instead. Type your verification code here. Our account creation is complete. Type your username and password and click login. Select the country of your recipient here. I select the Philippines here. Click here to select an existing recipient or create a new recipient. Just click next here. Click allow here if you'd like to add an existing recipient to Sendwave from your contact list. Here you can select a recipient you already have or add a new recipient here. Let's create a new recipient and click this button. Here is the country of your recipient. Ask your recipient where they would like to receive the money. For example, if they want to receive money on their bank account, click here and select bank account. Enter the recipient's full name here. Next is to ask the recipient the name of their bank. For example, if their bank is BPI, just select Bank of the Philippine Islands. Enter their bank account number here and enter their full address here. If they don't want to provide their address, that's okay. Just tick this box here and you won't need to enter their address. Then click Save to save this recipient. You can now select your new recipient here. Click their name here and their name will be added to the recipient box here. Enter the amount you'd like to send in your currency in this box and you will see the equivalent amount of your recipient's currency here. Click Continue to send. Open your email address and verify your email address by clicking the Verify Email link. Add your payment method details here. Identify the source of your funds here and click Continue. Add your details like your address, your zip code, and your city. Click Continue. Start with identity verification. Type your legal name and your birthday, then click Finish. Select a document to submit and select Passport here. Scroll down to select the country where the documents that you are going to submit came from. Line your passport within the box and take a photo of your passport. Click My card is readable if your passport is readable. If not, take another photo of your document. Click Submit Verification. Confirm your transaction and click Confirm Transfer. Sendwave will process your request and you should arrive at your recipient's GCash account almost instantly. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I will be seeing you in my next video. Bye!